All right, good morning. Today is June 16th. We are 15 minutes away from market open. Um, we did make, we're still in a bullish uptrend, obviously, but we have left a new week opening gap right here, but I don't know if price is gonna come back to it this week because we are very close to all-time highs again. We're like, let's see, yeah, I mean, 60 points away from all-time highs. I think we'll get to it today. Only because when we're this close to all-time highs, we usually tend to take it. And yeah, that's my bias today. I'm pretty bullish. Let's go through 1 hour. I did go ahead and mark out my lows that we could possibly go to, and then there's just one high. Pre-market, well, Asia and London session did take uh, these highs right here. So we do have a 30-minute fair value gap here. So I think my plan for today is I'm just gonna work around this 30-minute gap. If price wants to come up and retrace and then keep going lower, I'll enter off of shorts from that. But if this gets inversed, I'm just gonna enter long and hit all-time highs and see if they just want to go higher than that. This is what I do, by the way, while waiting for market open. Okay, so I entered it off of short, off of touching this 30-minute gap. Might have not gotten this entry, but we'll see what happens. We rejected it 3 times, so target would be, I would just say this low that we marked out earlier. It's okay if I lose this one. I have one more attempt, and then I'll call it a day. Okay. I just got touched. All right, it's fine. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna enter here. Put my stop loss above right here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I am happy with that.
Kinda tired trying at the same shit. Kinda tired trying to give a fuck. Saving grace has never hit the same end. I've been running out of luck, yeah.
All right, just get hit. Come on. Okay, boom. There it is. Just secured, I think about $600. We had this 30-minute bearish fair value get marked out. We waited for it to get touched, and then we just wanted to see clean delivery to the downside. So the first trade that I entered, I did lose because I entered a little too early, I think. But I did re-enter right here once I had a little bit more confirmation about my bias, and price just pretty much delivered cleanly to our take profit. And look at the reaction we're getting from this hourly gap right here. So secured my money for today. All right, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.